Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to make your mouse click without even touching it using Python. So I'm going to use the module called PyAutoGUI. So let's into the video. First you have to import PyAutoGUI, and then you have to import random. And then you write while true x equal random dot rand int, and then you write the coordinates. Okay, and same with the y. It will write y and same coordinates I will use. And then you write PyAutoGUI dot click. There also double click, triple click, middle click. Middle click is the middle button. Right click is the right button, and the left click is this left button. And I think triple click is the three of them. I think so, I don't know. So I'm going to use click. Oh, see, my language changed. And then click x, comma y. That's all. The link will be in the description. I'll just run. Little bit of a disclaimer, because if you run it, random. What should I say? Random. I think wait a second. Dot rand. Oh, I missed the D. Rand int. Now what's that error again? I'll just write Control D 500, then delete 500. Think it will work now. Yeah, see this, because this clip it could be very dangerous. You have to force it to get out. And I will also try left and right click. I'll right click. I have not know this right click. Oh my gosh, this is not good. I'm just for knowledge, I'm telling if you want to use in a game or anything. And I'll check the triple click. What's that triple click? Yeah, triple click. Oh yeah, the code also fail safe, not recommended. Yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.